It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today maple season is here finally. You know what? When I say finally, it's cold. You don't even think about maple syrup, and then all of a sudden, the temperature changes, and then suddenly we're into spring mode, and I'm rushing around trying to tap some trees. So I rushed home yesterday. I tapped 30. Today, I'm going to try to tap another 30. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to do my best to get lids on everything because it's going to start raining. And the way the forecast looks, if it doesn't get much colder, this is going to be the only go of sap collecting I'm going to have. So I need to get as many of the trees tapped. So let's see how many I can get done. So what we're going to be using is the Still MS250 with the Holtzform drill attachment. And we are just going to get out there and start tapping some trees. Okay. Let's go find, oh, where's my bucket of taps? There you go. There is one bucket of taps. We'll take this. We'll take that. And here is the drill bit we need. At this time of day, it is really beautiful, but the sun is going down, so we're gonna have to rush and do as much as we can. This is how you tap trees to make maple syrup. First off, you find some maple trees, and you want to tap to the south side of the tree. It can be a little east and a little west, but south side. When you're drilling the trees, you want to drill it in about 2.5 inches and a slight angle down. If you don't do a slight angle down in the cold mornings, it'll freeze and it'll take longer to run. You pound in the taps pretty hard because they'll start loosening up as it gets warm and cooler, and it'll be frustrating. They'll start falling out when you're dumping the pails. So make sure you tap them in hard. An 8-inch tree or less is 1 tap. If it's over 8 inches, you can put 2 taps. That's kind of my standard anyways. I'm going to go get the tractor. We're going to go get the buckets. I don't think I'm going to get the lids on, but it's not going to rain tonight. Tomorrow we'll put some more on, and then that'll be about 50. I'm about halfway, so hopefully I don't miss too much of this run coming. This end of this week is going to be spectacular, so let's go get some buckets. Okay, let's get back to the trees. All you have to do now is hang the pails and put the lids on. I don't have enough time to put lids on today, but you kind of get the idea. It sure is handy to have the tractor with the loader. It's a lot less lug and stuff for sure. That's about enough for today. I got a total of 62 pails up in the trees. I don't have lids. Hopefully tomorrow I can tap a few more trees, get some more pails up, and get the lids on before it rains. But that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.